Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12S and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we have to enter the video one. So let's tap on the video. If you can see that it is marked with a little red dot under it, and if you can see the red dot inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we have to open or unroll the upper bar just by tapping on the three bars icon. And as you can see right here, those bars are connected with the resolution. We've got 1080p option right now applied, as you can see it is marked, and we can choose also 720p, 4 and 8K. What is more, we can change between the frames per second in particular resolutions. Right now we've got the 30 frames per second, we've got here 60 frames per second, and in some of those options probably we will have like 24, but I'm not really sure about that. So in order to change the resolution, it's so easy because you just have to tap on the particular resolution you'd like to use. And I was right, as you can see in the 8K we've got the 24 frames per second only, so we cannot set any other option. So basically, in order to change the resolution, just tap on the one you'd like to use. Since it is highlighted, it means that it has been applied, and your device will right now record the videos in chosen resolution. So basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Xiaomi 12S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.